Suunto has released the Suunto Race S, a more compact and lighter version of the Suunto Race from last fall. This new model boasts more features, improved accuracy, and a lower price point while being manufactured in Finland. Unlike the original Race, which was made in China to cut costs, the Race S returns to Suunto's Finnish roots, aligning with customer preferences. The Suunto Race S introduces several highly anticipated features, including enhanced heart rate sensor accuracy, Suunto climb guidance, more watch face customization, and a more responsive UI. Suunto is shifting its focus from merely catching up with competitors to fine-tuning the details that users care about. Though some issues remain, Suunto is clearly finding its groove. Design and display. The Suunto Race S sports a 45mm case and a 1.3 2-inch AMOLED touchscreen, retaining the 22mm strap design. While it has a smaller footprint, it still includes all the essential features of its larger counterpart. However, the battery life has been reduced, water resistance is now at 50 meters, and it features Gorilla Glass instead of sapphire. These adjustments help keep the price accessible. Suunto has significantly improved the heart rate sensor on the Race S, adding 2 photodiodes for better accuracy. This enhancement is crucial for more precise workout exertion and recovery metrics. The Race S maintains strong land-based GPS accuracy and has improved open water swim accuracy. It features the same maps and navigation capabilities as the original Race, but with new additions like the climb guidance feature, increased map zoom levels, and refined turn-by-turn prompts by making them appear only on the bottom of the screen. With 32 GB of storage, the Race S offers double the capacity of the base edition of the original Race. Areas for improvement. While Suunto has made strides, there are still areas needing work. The growing library of on-watch Suunto apps should be integrated into the core functions of the watch, making it user-friendly. Smart features have never been Suunto's strong suit, and the Race S is no exception. It lacks NFC payments and offline music listening. However, it does offer mirrored smartphone notifications, Bluetooth music control, daily weather reports, and an alarm function. The Race S's battery life is understandably shorter due to its smaller size, with around 30 hours of GPS tracking in dual frequency mode. This is still competitive against similar models from other brands, like Garmin's Forerunner 965 and 265. And finally, no ANT+ sensor support and no heart rate broadcast. Price and availability. The Suunto Race S is priced at $349, positioning it as an entry-level option in the Race product line, which also includes the $449 Steel Race and the $549 Titanium Race. Initially, the Race S will only be available in a steel version. Overall, the Suunto Race S represents a thoughtful response to user feedback, balancing new features and improvements with affordability. What do you think about the new Suunto Race S? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and catch you in the next one.